Okay guys, let's play this game. Take care of the dog simulator. Wow, that's so many dogs, and this is the new that's Molly. I know. Where's Molly? Dog cafe. Okay. We had to find the key. Let's go. Oh, chicken. Let's go upstairs. That's bolt again. Charlie. So guys, I'm talking to this for this week. Are you sure guys? Everything was wrong. But let's go to the map Google. I will show you the lesson. Ito guys, so wait. Asan na ba yung map? Ayun, map. Ito ba guys? Pag pumunta kayo sa Granny's house, napakalayo pala nun. Uy, mali pala. Kailangan pala buksan yung camera. Ay, camera. Ayan, basta. Ayan. So scary. Try natin scary. Search nyo to. Granny house. Ano guys? Wait. Nandito yung pagpunta ka doon sa Pasay. Guys, walang paa. Ba't kaya siyang walang paa? Ba't nawawala silang ng paa? Tsaka guys, ba't may sako dyan? Sobrang creepy nito. Okay guys. Kaya, huwag nyo na buksan yung map nyo para ikwento ko na sa inyo ang mga ano. Bye-bye sa susunod.